a nice day. So I am here to do my much awaited video all on my makes from sew-alongs back in March, really. Were they March and then very early April? Anyway, it's been a while. So sorry guys that you had to wait, but they have been finished. The wonderful Nicole finished them for me as I wasn't able to. Hi Coco. So I'm here first in the Heidi dress. I'm sorry you're not going to be able to get a complete look, but I'm going to stand on this. I thought I could do that. I'm filming by myself today, so it's a bit harder for me to show you the whole thing. But here it is in our lovely Ingrid fabric. I absolutely love it. I've got it on with my shoes. Sorry Coco. With my lovely Superga pumps that I love so much. So you can see them there. That's the length of it. That's the maxi. And yeah, very, very wearable spring pattern. I'm really happy with this one. I think this is probably my favourite make out of the three. But let's see what your favourite make is. I'm going to now try on something else. So next up is the Dorothy jacket. Now the Dorothy jacket we did, if you remember, I can't remember what we did preparing, didn't we, for the patch pockets and stuff. So Nicole's done a beautiful job of finishing this off. And I'm very happy to have a nice spring jacket that's lovely and bright. I'm wearing it here just with some jeans and a plain black top, but I will wear this with whatever. And I'm very excited about it. So just to kind of show you some of the features, if I get a little bit closer, here's the patch pocket. Got these. They do rattle a little bit, these, unless they're done up. So just do that up. Got the little fake pocket there. And obviously we've got these bits. We didn't actually have the right toggles, so I haven't got toggles on it yet, but you can just do a little knot here and then that's fine. And just showing you it at the back. Now the only thing I'd say is for me, I might have made it a little bit longer, just because I find that's a bit short on me. So I probably would have kind of taken that a little bit longer because I've got quite long arms, slightly longer than average. But just something to bear in mind, I'm 5'6", so and yeah, I'm going to sit down. I don't know if you've been losing my head in that, but yeah, it's a really lovely coat pattern, and this is a sort of denim canvas, so you can use a denim for this. It's absolutely fine. I actually prefer it if it's a little bit softer, but I know once I've washed this, we didn't wash the fabric before, and if I washed it, it will have softened it. So that's just something to bear in mind when you're choosing a fabric. If it does feel a little bit stiff, probably when you wash it, the dressing will come out of it and it will be absolutely fine. So yeah, really nice. And you can see it was quite an involved make, so with all the poppers. The actual sewing bit isn't so involved, but adding all the little poppers can take a while. But yeah, very happy about this. Because most of my coats, spring coats, are all quite dark. I have got a pale pink leather or suede jacket, but apart from that, everything's quite dark. So it's really nice just to have something a bit bright and colourful. So this is make number 2, on to the last one. And last but definitely not least, this is the Lulu and Eve sleeve hack. So we showed you how to change up the pattern so that you could put a fluted sleeve on it, which was an idea that Nicole first did, and we all fell in love with it at work. I did want to do a little rouleau loop kind of tie here, but just didn't have the time for that. So I think this is really pretty top, nice with jeans. Again, got them on with my kind of mum Levi jeans tucked in, but you could also have it out if you prefer that. And it's feeling a little bit nippy now, but that's all right because I can pop a cardigan on with it. There we go, a little cream cardigan, and there it is, a nice pretty blouse. So guys, if you are watching this and you haven't seen the sew-alongs and you want to see what I was doing on the sew-alongs, we'll make sure we link to them below. We'll also link to any leftover fabrics that we have. Obviously it was a while ago, so most of them have sold out, but if there are any other fabrics that are in, then make sure you will look in the description box because we'll link to it in that. Apart from that, we'll also link all the patterns. If you're interested in buying the patterns, we'll pop a link to those in there. And just to say that this is probably going to be one of the last makes videos I do in a while. We're sort of changing things. Obviously we've got so many social media channels now, so what we're going to be doing, as the sew alongs are now not going to be quite as regular, we're always going to do a sew along based around the new pattern, and if there's something big and seasonal then we might be doing that, but because of that there won't really substitute a makes video as such. So we'll probably be putting the finished makes on Instagram, so make sure you're following us on Instagram. All of that information is in the description box below, so that you don't miss out on seeing the finished things. And yeah, but we will be continue to do the sew alongs on this channel, so keep an eye on that, and there might also be some other live things on this channel as well. Just make sure you're on the mailing list, again we'll link to that too, so that you don't miss out and you find out what's going on when. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!